Hello, I'm Lieutenant Commander Doug Cummings, and I'm here to talk about the concept development phase of your AI adoption journey. In my role as a mission manager at the JAIC, I'm able to help folks like you clarify what they mean when they say they want to do AI. Together, we'll take the problem statement identified in your needs assessment, combined with your AI training and education, and use the concept development process to take the first steps to move from a theoretical understanding of AI to its practical application. During concept development with the JAIC, we'll work together with you to articulate how AI can help you leverage your current data and technology infrastructure to better accomplish your organization's mission. Then, we'll outline what your initial AI minimum viable product, or MVP, might look like. At its core, concept development is knowing where you are, where you want to go, and how best to get there. Picture yourself playing a video game, one where the map is dark except for the areas immediately around where your character starts and around your final objective. You need to get to that objective, but you're not yet sure how. There might be enemy units or difficult terrain between you and your objective, which would make taking the direct route also the most challenging. In this scenario, it's better to start exploring right away in order to gain some knowledge quickly, rather than try and plan the perfect route while most of the map is still unknown. Exploring the map helps you discover what obstacles you'll encounter and either have to overcome or find a way around. This allows you to plan the most effective route to reach your target. Concept development is akin to this process of exploring and understanding your map. What initial exploration looks like is relative to your team's scope of responsibility. For example, at a higher level, it might look like completing a small project in order to gain experience with AI before investing in a much larger and costlier effort. At a lower level, it might look like exploring a data set, or learning what skill sets and knowledge you need in a quality AI developer, things that, in turn, allow you to better understand your data, infrastructure, policies, personnel, and to gain overall AI experience. The cumulative lessons learned from smaller projects will help you to plan how best to execute larger, more transformative efforts, the ones that will take you from your starting point to your final objective. We'll work with you to examine the best path forward in your exploration and help find a course of action leading to your next step of the AI adoption journey.